today I'm excited because I have an idea and I want to share with you guys. And here it is. Ta-da! So guys, the things that you can do with this is very limitless. How you can decorate it. You can use a bunch of different beads. Right here to separate each one, you could use a big wooden bead if you would like. You start it at the bottom. So what I learned while doing this, I'm going to tell you guys so you guys don't have to make the same mistakes that I did. So you want to measure. If you bring a measuring tape, which I did not, you can measure each knot like that. All the ropes will end up being perfectly even because you're doing it while measuring. So all your knots are going to be perfectly even. And what else? And if you have a smaller drill bit, that'll be fine, or just make more knots actually. So in the video you'll see that I say 2 knots. Actually, for the third one, make 3 or 4 knots, whatever you think you're gonna need in order for that knot to go through. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you get inspired. You can make this as many different sizes as you want, as many different tiers as you want. These come in different sizes. I know this one has a bigger one, so you can make it you can make it 4, 5, whatever you guys want. If you guys do this, I hope you guys send me pictures and let me know how it turns out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys later. I went ahead and made holes on my other ones right here. They're gonna be like this. And I'm going to show you how I did that with the drill. I wasn't scared to do it on the ground because there's mulch, but here I don't want to hit anything. So we'll just see. It might be a little bit also, I don't know if this is in the way or not. So I'm just going to go ahead and try. Let's just see. So I want it to be at an angle. This one, it's a little bit difficult now because this one's bigger. It was way easier on the ground. Right here, I'm afraid of breaking this or going through it. Let me just bring you guys down to the ground and we'll do it on the ground. There we go. I'll be now less afraid and apply pressure without being scared. Oh, there we go. I should have demonstrated with the smaller ones. They were easier. Anyways, so that's that one. And then, yes, because I'm only doing 3, I need them to be like this. So, like here, I guess. So the next one would go here. Ooh, that one was quicker. It's probably I was able to apply pressure better. That one was way quicker. Okay. So, and then the other one is like right here, I guess. I would say about there. It's not going to be precise, but I think it's like right there. Hopefully that's right. It's my first time doing this, so we'll see how it works. Goodness. Why is there something difficult? Here we go. There we go. Messed it up a little bit there, but all set. Now we're going to put it together. guys, so we're gonna learn how to do this together because this is my first time doing this. I saw something made out of wood at Hobby Lobby, and I thought about it. I'm like, oh, I can do something like that. So it's better to have extra leftover that you have to cut instead of having to do all the work, and when you realize it that you're gonna tie it at the end because you need, you know, a little give to hang it, to be disappointed that it doesn't that it's not long enough. Let's see, I'll tell you how long this is, about how long this piece of rope is that I'm using. This rope is about I'm only 5 feet. It goes up to my nose, so it is 4.5, I think. 4.5. Well, I'm 5 feet and 3 inches, but still, it's about 4.5. So your big one's gonna be your bottom one, and then you can do however you want to do this. If you want to do the bottom one the same size as the middle one, you can. I like the 3-tier look. If I had a bigger one of these, I would have used the bigger one. And then also, you know, I've gotten rid of these before, and now I regret it because you can do lots of cool stuff with it. So I'm just gonna thread it here, and this knot, this bottom knot, has to be pretty big. So you're gonna want a knot there. Can you guys, am I in frame? Okay, you're gonna want a knot there, and then knot it again, and try to have the knot be on top of the knot itself, and then pull. And then you need one more. I was looking for the smaller drill bit that I have, so if you have a smaller one, that'll be better, but I couldn't find my small one, so I had to stick with it. So I'm just like putting it on the knot and then pulling tight. So 3 times worked for me. Let's see if it's gonna fall through. That's not gonna go through. I'm pulling it really hard. It's not gonna go through. So you're gonna need 3 of these ropes, and I would suggest doing 4.5. I know you're gonna waste a little bit of rope, but it's just better. I mean, I'm just figuring this out. I'm sure if I do it again, I'll get better at it. Then you're gonna determine the distance, the height that you want your next tray to be. So I want it to be, I think I like right there. So I'm gonna hold it right here at the end. That's what that's how I know where I want my knot to start. So now I'm gonna knot it right there. And then figuring out the next rope, that'll be a little bit tricky as well, but it's fine, not impossible. You might have to undo and do, you know, to get it even, but that's fine. So I just try to make sure that the knot, like, it's on top of the other knot, so that the knot is chunky. I think this one might do good with only 2. I'm gonna try it. Let's see, when I tug on it, yeah, 2 is gonna be good. So that's that. Once you do this, you won't be able to, you know, take it out to do the other one. You just have to know, like, kind of eyeball it as you go. And then this one, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna measure to see how tall you want it. It doesn't have to be, you know, exactly as the other one. You can hold it and pick it up anyways, and kind of eyeball it like this. So now I'm gonna hold it, take this down. Might have moved slightly. When you could always take it off, you know, and adjust it if you don't like where it ended up. Okay, so I don't know which way is which. I don't think it really matters. So look at that. See? Now I just have to figure out the other ones as I go. So actually I could take this one out at least and try to figure out the rest. The rest I can't take out because it's not going to go through. See? So now I'll just go on to the next side, measure my rope, I should have, oh no, I should have cut them all, but I didn't. But I know that I'm gonna give myself some slack here to work with. I should have untangled this already. Okay. And if you rinse it so your rope doesn't get dirty, you could do that too. I didn't, of course I didn't. So yeah. Okay. Got my other piece. Now I'm gonna start here. Just go through here. Can you guys see? Again, I try for the knot to fall on top of each other so I can get a chunkier knot. If you have beads, nice big beads, that'll be cool too. You can decorate it with beads. You can do lots of things with this, so that's pretty cool. Gotta make sure it's on top of my knot, my other knot, so I get a chunky knot. Okay, that looks like it's not gonna go anywhere. So now I'm gonna feed it through here. Actually, I don't need to feed it through there. I need to try to see. You could measure. You can get a measuring tape and measure, but I don't have a measuring tape out here, so I can kind of just eyeball it and then regret later, complain. I think this looks right. We'll see. I hope it does. Don't be like me. Get a measuring tape. Save yourself some headache. Okay, let's see if 2 knots are good for this, to hold this hole in there. Okay, let me see. That looks good. It looks balanced. So now I gotta get, okay, so now I can move on to the other rope and I can do the small one last. So, okay, so you put it through here. Okay. Am I in frame, guys? And one more. So those knots are on top of each other. Next one. So I'm gonna hold this up like this and trying to get a feel for where the knot needs to be. I think I got it. I think the knot should be right here. Yeah, so before you even finish that one, you just go ahead and look at it and make sure everything looks balanced, evened out. So now I can hold this. You could even do 2 if you wanted to. Just do 2. And let's see. I'm gonna stretch this out. Sorry guys, I'm hitting the camera. So I just want to see that my hands are not even. I gotta hold the rope steady. So your rope's also being tied at the top evenly has something to do with also this being balanced. So let's go ahead and continue. So I can, this one, I can actually have it right here side by side. Oh, so you can do that too. Once you already know one, you could just hold them all before you continue and go ahead and do the knots. Did I do one knot? No, I did two. I think I did two. Just make sure my knots are on top of each other. And then this one I'm going to measure out. Okay, let's put on the small plate and see. I can already see, let me see. I can see that this knot could be higher than the other one. Let's try it out and let's just see how it works. Okay, let's. I gotta hold it off camera, guys. Sorry, to see if it's balanced or not. Oh, my knot went through the small one because I did not. My knot didn't go on top of that one. Hold on. Okay, let's see. Probably better if I did 3 knots. Okay, I like it, guys. All I have to do is tie it up and that's it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Very easy to follow. I hope you guys are able to do it. I think it's super cute. You can have it indoors, outdoors, whatever you guys like. Again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Guys, please like my videos. If you hit the like button, you are helping my channel in a big way. Okay, so thank you guys so much. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.